All vocabulary asked by Eduquity. Important for upcoming exams. Enervate, कमजोर करना. Synonyms. Weaken, कमजोर करना. Exhaust, थका देना. Debilitate, शक्ति क्षीण करना. Antonyms. Strengthen, मजबूत करना. Energize, ऊर्जा देना. Empower, सशक्त करना. Example sentences. The long illness enervated him completely. A good leader always tries to empower his team, not enervate them. Quell, दबाना, शांत करना. Synonyms. Suppress, दबाना. Subdue, काबू पाना. Extinguish, बुझाना. Antonyms. Encourage, प्रोत्साहित करना. Incite, उकसाना. Provoke, भड़काना. Example sentences. The police tried to quell the violent protest. His words incited anger rather than quelling it. Wilt, मुरझाना. Synonyms. Droop, झुकना. Fade, मुरझाना. Wither, सूखना. Antonyms. Bloom, खिलना. Flourish, फलना फूलना. Thrive, फलना फूलना. Example sentences. The flowers wilted without water. She flourished in her new job. Commend, प्रशंसा करना. Synonyms. Praise, सराहना करना. Applaud, तालियां बजाना. Compliment, प्रशंसा करना. Antonyms. Criticize, आलोचना करना. Blame, दोष देना. Condemn, निंदा करना. Example sentences. The teacher commended the students for their hard work. Instead of commending, he condemned the effort. Affluent, धनी, संपन्न. Synonyms. Wealthy, धनी, rich. अमीर, prosperous, समृद्ध. Antonyms. Poor, गरीब, needy, जरूरतमंद. Impoverished, निर्धन. Example sentences. He belongs to an affluent family. Many needy children don't even get proper food. Vindicate, सही ठहराना. निर्दोष साबित करना. Synonyms. Justify, औचित्य सिद्ध करना. Exonerate, निर्दोष ठहराना. Defend, बचाव करना. Antonyms. Blame, दोष देना. Accuse, आरोप लगाना. Condemn, निंदा करना. Examples. The evidence vindicated her claim. He was wrongly accused and never vindicated. Pompous, घमंडी, आडंबरपूर्ण. Synonyms. Arrogant, अहंकारी. Pretentious, दिखावटी. Boastful, डींग मारने वाला. Antonyms. Humble, विनम्र. Modest, साधारण. Simple, सरल. Examples. His pompous speech irritated everyone. A humble person earns more respect than a pompous one. Slander, बदनाम करना. Synonyms. Defame, बदनाम करना. Malign, कलंकित करना. Libel, मानहानि करना. Antonyms. Praise, प्रशंसा करना. Compliment, सराहना करना. Honor, सम्मान करना. Examples. He sued the newspaper for slander. We should honor people for their work, not slander them. Peevish, चिड़चिड़ा. Synonyms. Irritable, चिड़चिड़ा. Grumpy, खीजा हुआ. Fretful, बेसब्र. Antonyms. Cheerful, प्रसन्न. Pleasant, मनभावन. Patient, धैर्यवान. Examples. The child became peevish when hungry. A cheerful attitude solves many problems. Oracular, गूढ़, भविष्यवाणी से संबंधित. Synonyms. Prophetic, भविष्यवाणी करने वाला. Cryptic, रहस्यमय. Mysterious, रहस्यमय. Antonyms. Clear, स्पष्ट. Obvious, स्पष्ट. Plain, साधारण. Examples. The old man gave oracular advice. His words were clear and not oracular. Veracity, सत्यता, ईमानदारी. Synonyms. Truthfulness, सत्यनिष्ठा. Honesty, ईमानदारी. accuracy, शुद्धता. Antonyms: falsehood, झूठ, dishonesty, बेईमानी, deceit, धोखा. Examples: the journalist is known for his veracity. Falsehood destroys trust. Obliterate, मिटा देना, नष्ट करना. Synonyms: destroy, नष्ट करना, eradicate, समाप्त करना, wipe out, साफ कर देना. Antonyms: create, सृजन करना, build, निर्माण करना, preserve, संरक्षित करना. Examples: the bomb obliterated the entire city. Good leaders build nations, they don't obliterate them. Cacophony, कर्कश ध्वनि, बेसुरा शोर. Synonyms: noise, शोर, discord, बेसुरा, racket, कर्कश आवाज. Antonyms: harmony, संगीतमयता, melody, मधुर धुन, symphony, संगीत संगति. Examples: the traffic created a cacophony. Birds singing in harmony is a pleasant sound. Pinnacle, शिखर, उच्चतम बिंदु. Synonyms: peak, चोटी, summit, शिखर, climax, पराकाष्ठा. Antonyms: bottom, तल, base, आधार, नादिर, अधोबिंदु. Examples: she reached the pinnacle of her career. After the pinnacle comes the fall to the base. Obsequious, चापलूस, खुशामदी. Synonyms: servile, गुलामसा, fawning, चापलूस, submissive, आज्ञाकारी. Antonyms: assertive, आत्मविश्वासी, independent, स्वतंत्र. Confident, आत्मविश्वास से भरा. Examples: the obsequious servant always tried to please his master. Independent people do not behave in an obsequious manner. Vigilant, satark, चौकस. Synonyms: watchful, चौकस, alert, satark, attentive, ध्यान देने वाला. Antonyms: careless, लापरवाह, negligent, उपेक्षी, inattentive, अनमना. Examples: the guards remained vigilant all night. A careless driver can cause accidents. Exasperate, कुपित करना, चिढ़ाना. Synonyms: irritate, चिढ़ाना, annoy, परेशान करना, provoke, उकसाना. Antonyms: calm, शांत करना, सूत, सुकून देना, comfort, सांत्वना देना. Examples: his rude behavior exasperated the teacher. A kind word can soothe an angry heart. Diligent, मेहनती, लग्नशील. Synonyms: hardworking, मेहनती, industrious, उद्योगी. Persistent, लगातार प्रयत्नशील. Antonyms: lazy, आलसी, idle, निष्क्रिय, negligent, उपेक्षी. Examples: a diligent student always succeeds. An idle person wastes opportunities. Reckless, लापरवाह, उतावला. Synonyms: careless, लापरवाह, rash, उतावला, heedless, बेपरवाह. Antonyms: cautious, सावधान, careful, सावधानीपूर्वक, responsible, जिम्मेदार. Examples: his reckless driving caused an accident. A cautious driver saves lives. Encumbrance, बाधा, बोझ. Synonyms: burden, बोझ, hindrance, बाधा, obstacle, रुकावट. Antonyms: support, सहारा, aid, सहायता, assistance, मदद. Examples: poverty is often an encumbrance to education. Good teachers provide support to overcome obstacles. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.